Hello, Mr. Bell.
Hello.
Hey, what you doing?
Today, well right now at least, installing all those white pieces of wood that we painted the other day. So it gives it off a nice box out look to the screens. And it also helps hold in the screens better. So you have staples holding in the screens and this block of wood holding in the screens. So
Excellent. And I have a question. Why did you paint the trim before you put it on?
because it's easier to do, because trying to paint this next to your screen, you run the risk of getting paint on your screen.
Okay.
You can always go back and touch it up, but touch up versus painting a whole new piece.
That would be our air compressor. Pardon the noise.
I like to put a lot of nails in this thing because I don't want it coming off, and I don't want the homeowner calling me and saying it's popping off either. So I can get a little trigger happy when it comes to nails. Some people just tack it on there and walk away. I like to fill it full of nails so it doesn't come apart.
And Bill, what are we going to do so that it doesn't look like Swiss cheese with the nail holes?
Gotta fill it and caulk all the cracks. Put some caulking in the cracks.
Excellent. So your job is not done once it's up there. You got to make sure to make it look good. That is the final piece of work that we're going to be doing. So basically that's how we install trim. And what are you using to install that, Bill? What's that?
A 16 gauge finish nailer.
Okay.
2.5 inch nails. 2 inch, 2.5 inch nails.
Excellent. And I get to show you a surprise because he already did the other side. So let's walk around together. So this is what it's going to look like. Now we still have to do, like he said, filling the nail holes and caulking everything. But isn't that pretty? Especially with the white setting off the black screens. Just really a pretty finished product. All right, we will show you our next step soon. Thanks for joining us.